demand, we're gonna do more testing. I'm gonna do a drop test and compare the Quadropod to other products. So here goes. This no-name brand didn't do so well. The head broke off. I'm disappointed. Quadropod is fine. Obviously it's gonna be a scratch because I just hit the pavement with plastic. It's okay. But I can keep dropping it. I can keep breaking it. Let's kick it up a notch, and I'm gonna get a device that will help me with this process. I'm gonna take the Quadropod and shoot it from a cannon. This gas-powered cannon will propel it very high velocity. For that purpose, I made a little adapter with a plug to make sure the seal is correct when detonation occurs in the chamber. And I shoot it at the wall. I hope not to hit that side. Oh boy. I have the Quadropod in pieces, but the pieces are intact. Ready to take more shots. Now I'm gonna take a survivor from door, well, whatever's left from of the survivor from door test 1, and shoot it from the cannon. Take the poor survivor. Charge the barrel. Bombs away. Even though my opinion can be a little bit biased towards the Quadropod, I am still disappointed in the performance or lack thereof in these conditions with this tripod. It's in pieces. I've said it before, I'll say it again. This commodity plastic. It's cheap and it will break. This is useless.